Welcome to Voice AI News. Daily Gram Stardate, Thursday the 7th of August 2025. Unstoppable Voice AI. 5 profit plays from the conversation frontier.
And what a frontier it is. I mean, it feels like the entire game for customer interaction just got a massive upgrade. We're talking about a fundamental shift.
A complete shift. And at the center of it is the top story. PolyAI has unleashed Raven v2. And listen, this isn't just another incremental update. It's a specialized large language model, engineered from the ground up. For one thing, customer conversations.
Okay, so specialized is the magic word. What does that really mean for an entrepreneur listening right now? Why should they care about this beyond it just being cool new tech?
Because it all comes down to this simple, powerful truth. Whoever owns the customer conversation owns the margin. Raven v2 lets companies automate customer service at a huge scale. But, and this is the key, without sounding like a clunky, frustrating robot, it's smarter, faster, and more accurate.
So you get the best of both worlds. You can lower your support headcount, which is a clear bottom line win, but you also get a higher net promoter score because the interactions are actually good. That's the dream, right?
That is 100% the dream. And the ecosystem is building up around this idea. Look at the other headlines. You have VideoSDK and Cerebrium teaming up. So now you can take this super intelligent AI powered by Google Gemini and deploy it as a telephony agent globally.
Inbound and outbound at pay-as-you-go rates. So the barrier to entry is just dissolving. But that brings up the other big hurdle. It can be smart, but does it sound human? Or is there that awkward, creepy lag?
You've hit on the next revolution. It's not just what the A says, but how it says it. We're seeing Inworld and the open source Pipecat bring emotionally expressive voices to any app. Even more impressive, Hume AI and Grok are achieving human-like interactions with sub-300 millisecond latency. That lag that screams, "I am a robot?" It's gone.
And this isn't theoretical. The newsletter points to a case study with ambient AI in healthcare, cutting down on doctor burnout by handling admin tasks. That's a real-world impact.
Exactly. And that's just the blueprint. It proves the model works. So let's get to the profit plays. What can a business do right now? First, turbocharge customer support. Integrate a Raven v2 bot. Second, automate your phones with that VideoSDK solution. There's even a quick win starter kit with Twilio to go live in days, not months.
But hold on, I have to challenge that a bit. If you rush this, don't you risk creating that uncanny valley you mentioned? A bot that sounds almost human can be more frustrating than one that is obviously a machine.
That is an excellent point, and it's the most critical, watch out, in the whole piece. You are absolutely right. You can't just flip a switch. You have to test, and test again. Test for that emotional expressiveness and, crucially, that sub-second response time. The goal isn't to fool the customer. It's to give them a seamless and genuinely helpful experience.
So the big takeaway isn't just fire your agents and automate everything.
No, not at all. The guru's takeaway says it perfectly. Automation doesn't have to feel automated. This is about augmenting your amazing human teams with instant, expressive, and scalable intelligence. It's about creating a service that customers remember and recommend.
A powerful new way to build a business. For anyone who wants to get these kinds of actionable insights every single day, you absolutely have to subscribe to the Voice AI Guru Daily Gram. You won't find this level of clarity anywhere else.
Couldn't agree more. That's all the time we have for today's Daily Gram. Until next time, keep building the future of conversation. Goodbye for now.
Bye, humans. See you next time.